How to log in into your Panera Bread employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Panera Bread employee account. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Panera employee account. After you search for that, scroll down and there you'll find Panera Bread log on. So this is the website right here. Open that website up. After you open that website up, here you'll find this option where you can simply log in using your user ID. So log in using your user ID, type in your user ID and then the password that is associated to that very user ID. Then simply tap on login. After you tap on login, you'll get logged in into your account. So yeah, if you are a new user, you can register for the first time as well. And yeah, that's basically it guys. That's how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.